confident that you can hit it, obviously. So depending how big the jump is, this one we're using is 4th gear. So I come into it 3rd, right? And I drop down in 4th, and I come in, and I stay committed to it, and then I hold it, and then right off the lip, I give it a big drop, and push down on your suspension, and it preloads you right over. Kind of like MX versus ATV Encore, preload. So basically just push down on your suspension and push up, and it will right at the top of the lip, right about there. So that's where you want to really push down and drop it. So then you go off and your suspension's pushed, and then it levels you out just a lot better. That's how I learned. So yeah, that's how to hit a jump. Don't forget to be confident about hitting it, because if you aren't confident, it's not going to go well. So yeah, that's how you hit a jump.
Make sure you smash that like button, like, share, and subscribe. Follow us, please. Help us hit 100,000. We're working. You know, we just hit 20, so.
That's how you hit a ramp. We'll do that next.
We're working to try to get our views up, so please try to like, share, and subscribe.
Hey, it's Lee, and welcome back to another vlog. Today, it's just going to be a short vlog, but today we are showing you how to hit a jump, and we got
one of those fixers.
And Matt. So yeah, we're just chilling, and we're gonna show you how to hit a jump. So we're gonna have this one as a example, and here's a clip of me hitting it.
Hear that bike do